A long day at the airport. John and Sarah are 19 years old and live in Southampton in England. They are going to visit some friends in Munich in Germany and stay there for 2 weeks. They are arriving at Heathrow Airport in London by bus on a sunny afternoon in July. John: It's so hot, I'm sweating all the time, and my suitcase is so heavy. Sarah: It's your own fault. I don't understand why you brought all those books. John: I have to do some schoolwork. My marks were all too bad. Sarah: Schoolwork? We're going on holiday, do you know that? It's better to relax and have a good time now. John: Well, maybe you are right, but now it's too late to think about that. Sarah: No, you can put the books in a storage box at the airport. Then you can have a good time instead of spoiling your holiday. John: Okay, that's a good idea. But at first I have to find a cash machine. I have no money to pay for the storage box. Sarah: You don't need that. I have some coins. John: But I want to have a pizza before the flight, so I think I will try to find a cash machine anyway. Sarah: You should have done that before we left Southampton. We have not so much time now. John: No problem. Departure time is 7:30 p.m. and now it's just 6 p.m. Sarah: Remember, we have to check in to get our boarding passes. And we also have to find the right terminal and gate. John: No problem. John asks a woman standing next by him, Excuse me, could you please tell me where I can find a cash machine? The woman: If you go past the Burger King restaurant, there is one just around the corner. John: Thank you very much. John inserts his credit card into the machine. The machine does not accept his card. The card has expired and is no longer valid. Sarah: You are more stupid than a cow. You should have planned this trip much better. John: Thank you. May I borrow some money from you? Sarah: I don't have any choice, do I? John: You're an angel. Sarah: And you are a fool. But now we have to hurry up. Let's find the pizza restaurant. We're lucky, I can see one right over there. John: That's Pizza Express. I don't like their pizzas. We will look for a better place. Sarah: Yes, of course. Time goes, but finally John finds a restaurant he's pleased with. John: Oh, that was a wonderful pizza. Now we have to find the storage box. Sarah: I don't think we have enough time for that now. John: It was your idea to drop the books here. Sarah: That was before you wasted all the time on the pizza. John: Don't worry. John asks an old man, Could you please tell me the way to the nearest storage boxes? The old man: They are 2 floors down, beside the toilets. John: Thank you. All right, Sarah, we have to take the lift. I have eaten so much pizza. I cannot manage to carry my suitcase 2 floors down. John asks another man, Excuse me, could you tell me where I can find a lift? Sarah: You are crazy. At last, John and Sarah find the storage boxes. John: I will not put all the books into the box. I think I should bring 2 books to Germany. Which books should I choose? Sarah: This is unbelievable. Sarah is furious, and she throws all the books into the box. Sarah: Now we have to hurry up to get our boarding passes. John: Just wait a minute, I have to go to toilet. I drank so much juice at the pizza restaurant. John runs towards the toilets. After 15 minutes he comes back. John: I'm sorry it took so long time. I felt bad I had too much pizza. Sarah, we have to run now. After a while, they get to the check-in desk in Terminal 3. The woman behind the desk tells them they are too late. The passengers have already been told to board the plane. Sarah, my God! Is it possible to book a flight with a later departure? The lady in the desk, yes, but you will have to pay an extra fee. The next departure from Munich is scheduled at 7 a.m. the next morning. Sarah, we have to wait here all night. What are we going to do? John, well, I have the books in the storage box. I can find one for you. Sarah, will you please shut up? Questions. 1. How old are John and Sarah? 2. Where do they live? 3. Where are they going on holiday? 4. In which month are they going on holiday? 5. What is the name of the airport they are traveling from? 6. Why is John's suitcase so heavy? 7. Sarah gets an ID. What does Sarah tell John to do? 8. Why is John's credit card not accepted by the cash machine? 9. What is a restaurant? 10. What did John drink at the pizza restaurant? 11. What is a storage box? 12. Why is Sarah so angry at John? 13. When is John's and Sarah's new departure from Munich scheduled?